Power, push, traction. How does a pump get from 0 to 1? See the generating power. Foundry Park. We cast pig, ductile iron and bronze raw materials in Sempa Foundry Park. Metal test is performed before casting, and if the melted material complies with the standards, casting process takes place. Our daily casting capacity can be increased to 15 tons. Thanks to our automatic molding line, we reduce the margin of error to 0. We use synthetic green sand to improve compaction and molding quality. Thanks to conveyor lines, we increase the output. Operations of sorting the post-casting grades from the synthetic green sand on the automatic sieving line and preparing them for processing are completed only in seconds. The casting surfaces are cleaned in the grinding and sandblasting lines, and then they are examined through the second physical quality control. Then the products passing the quality control are transferred to the metalworking part.